Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed by clutter, both in your home and your mind? Modern life often feels chaotic, leaving us yearning for a simpler, more intentional approach. This yearning for a more streamlined life resonates with the principles of minimalism, a powerful movement taking root globally. But Japanese minimalism and Swedish minimalism differ significantly. Uncover their unique roots and discover how these distinctive approaches can reshape your lifestyle. This exploration promises more than just surface-level aesthetics. You'll gain practical strategies for decluttering your physical space and, more importantly, your mental landscape. Prepare to discover actionable methods for cultivating a sense of peace and focus, ultimately leading to a more fulfilling and balanced life. Delve into the core values behind each philosophy, uncovering how these diverse approaches can foster a mindful and intentional existence. Discover how to effectively implement these practical strategies into your daily routine to enhance your personal development journey. Your path to a more tranquil and organized life awaits. Today's fast-paced world often leaves us feeling overwhelmed. Clutter, both physical and mental, can hinder our progress and well-being. This pervasive feeling highlights a critical need for intentional living, a practice increasingly embraced by those seeking a more fulfilling life. Minimalism, a philosophy emphasizing simplicity, provides a powerful framework for achieving this. Two distinct minimalist approaches, Japanese and Swedish, offer unique perspectives on simplifying life. Japanese minimalism, deeply rooted in Zen principles, prioritizes a mindful connection with nature and a reduction of possessions for mental clarity. Imagine a serene home, meticulously arranged, fostering peace and tranquility. Conversely, Swedish minimalism, often inspired by Scandinavian design, focuses on functional, durable items and aesthetically pleasing spaces. Picture a home filled with clean lines and natural light, highlighting the balance between order and functionality. Understanding these differences is crucial for navigating the path to a more intentional life. By delving into the nuances of each approach, we can discover how to tailor minimalism to our individual needs and aspirations. This knowledge empowers us to transform our spaces and minds, ultimately promoting personal development. Visual representations like images of Japanese and Swedish living spaces could further enhance comprehension. Ready to declutter your life and embrace intentional living? Dive deeper into the worlds of Japanese and Swedish minimalism. Subscribe and join the conversation in the comments below. Share your experiences, ask questions, and let's explore this journey together. Your feedback is invaluable, and we're eager to hear your thoughts. Understanding the nuances between Japanese and Swedish minimalism is key to personal development. Japanese minimalism, often rooted in Zen principles, prioritizes mindful living and decluttering to achieve mental clarity. Imagine intentionally choosing items that resonate with your values, creating a calming and organized space. Swedish minimalism, in contrast, emphasizes functional and durable design, often prioritizing aesthetics and practicality. Picture a meticulously designed home filled with well-chosen items that serve a purpose and last, mirroring a commitment to quality and longevity. To apply these concepts, start by identifying the core values driving your lifestyle. Are you drawn to mindful living or practical solutions? Then, systematically evaluate your possessions. What truly serves you? What adds value and fosters a sense of calm or functionality? Finally, implement changes gradually, focusing on intentional choices and mindful consumption. This process allows for a smoother transition and greater personal satisfaction. In today's fast-paced world, overwhelm is rampant. We're bombarded with choices, constantly juggling commitments and feeling the pressure to acquire more. This relentless pursuit of more often leads to a feeling of being suffocated by possessions and responsibilities. This pervasive feeling of being overwhelmed highlights a critical need to simplify and cultivate mindful living. Japanese and Swedish minimalist approaches offer practical solutions for this pressing issue. They offer distinct frameworks for intentional living, directly addressing the problem of feeling overwhelmed by possessions and commitments. This knowledge is crucial now because many of us are seeking ways to reduce stress and cultivate greater peace and focus in our lives. The key problem is a lack of clarity on how to effectively declutter, not just our physical spaces, but also our minds. Understanding the different philosophies of Japanese and Swedish minimalism provides a tangible pathway toward streamlining our lives, ultimately leading to a more fulfilling and balanced approach to personal development. Japanese minimalism, often inspired by Zen principles, prioritizes a mindful approach to possessions. It encourages letting go of items that don't serve a clear purpose, focusing on quality over quantity. Think about carefully curating your belongings, keeping only those that truly resonate with your values and promote a sense of calm. This intentional approach extends beyond physical objects, encompassing mental and emotional decluttering. Swedish minimalism, on the other hand, emphasizes functionality and durability. This approach often favors items built to last, prioritizing quality over fleeting trends. Consider the longevity and practical use of each item in your life, striving for objects that enhance your daily routines without unnecessary distractions. This practical approach connects to Scandinavian design principles, often prioritizing clean lines and natural materials. Visual aids, such as a comparison chart contrasting the two styles or screen recordings demonstrating decluttering techniques, could significantly enhance comprehension. These aids could help viewers visualize the practical differences and bridge the gap between theoretical concepts and actionable strategies. Applying Japanese minimalism involves mindful consumption. Instead of impulsively buying, ask yourself, does this truly add value to my life? Does it support my goals and values? If not, consider alternatives, such as borrowing or finding a pre-owned item. This practice cultivates a deeper connection with your possessions and reduces unnecessary clutter. Swedish minimalism encourages thoughtful investments in quality items. Instead of constantly replacing items, prioritize acquiring durable, well-designed products. This might involve spending a bit more initially, but reduces long-term costs and fosters a respect for longevity. The goal is functional design that seamlessly integrates into your daily life. Overcoming potential challenges involves acknowledging that these transitions take time. It's about gradually incorporating these principles rather than expecting instant results. Celebrate small wins and understand that imperfections are part of the journey. For deeper application of Japanese minimalism, consider incorporating mindfulness practices. Meditation and mindful decluttering can foster a profound connection with your possessions, leading to a more intentional approach to acquiring and discarding items. This profound awareness extends beyond material possessions, promoting emotional and mental clarity. Swedish minimalism can be elevated by prioritizing sustainable choices. Look for ethically sourced items and explore repair or repurposing options for existing items. This extends the lifespan of possessions and aligns your values with a more conscious consumption pattern, directly impacting personal development. The rise of conscious consumerism underscores the value of this approach. A case study of successful minimalist families demonstrates how these strategies can significantly reduce financial stress and promote a deeper connection with one's community. Studies show a strong correlation between decluttering and reduced stress levels. Research by the American Psychological Association indicates that individuals with organized spaces often report higher levels of well-being. This aligns with the core tenets of both Japanese and Swedish minimalism, which focus on reducing mental and physical clutter. A growing body of research emphasizes the positive impact of mindful consumption. A recent study by the University of California, Berkeley found that individuals who practice intentional buying habits demonstrate a greater sense of contentment and reduced anxiety. This directly relates to Japanese minimalism's emphasis on mindful acquisition. Anecdotal evidence further supports these findings. Numerous individuals report a significant improvement in their mental clarity and overall well-being after implementing minimalist strategies. These real-world examples underscore the transformative potential of mindful living principles, further highlighting the importance of understanding Japanese and Swedish minimalism's distinct approaches to personal development. So, you're still pondering the difference between Japanese and Swedish minimalism. It's not about choosing one or the other, it's about understanding the unique approaches and finding what resonates most with your values. Japanese minimalism fosters deep mindfulness, while Swedish minimalism emphasizes functionality and design. Think of it like this. One's a meditative retreat for your mind, and the other's a functional, aesthetically pleasing space. Perhaps you're wondering about the practical steps. Start small. Identify one area of your life, your home, your wardrobe, your to-do list, and apply the principles that best suit your needs. Don't try to overhaul everything at once. It's a journey of intentional choices, not a rigid checklist. Ultimately, both approaches lead to a more intentional life. Whether you embrace the Zen-like calm of Japanese minimalism or the clean lines of Swedish minimalism, the focus on less and mindful living will foster a deeper connection to yourself and your environment. Remember, it's about finding a style that empowers you, not one that forces you to conform. The key takeaway? Japanese minimalism emphasizes mindful consumption and emotional decluttering, while Swedish minimalism prioritizes functional design and long-lasting items. Choose the approach that resonates most with your personality and lifestyle. Don't feel pressured to fully embrace one style immediately. Start small. Start by identifying one area of your life, your wardrobe, your desk, your digital inbox, and apply the principles that feel most suitable to you. A few intentional changes can make a significant impact on your overall well-being. Implementing these insights will foster a sense of calm and intentionality in your life. You'll reduce stress, cultivate a more meaningful connection with your belongings, and ultimately achieve a greater sense of peace and purpose. Now, go out and create the life you've always envisioned. Ultimately, the journey to a more intentional life is a deeply personal one. Japanese minimalism, with its emphasis on mindful living, and Swedish minimalism, with its focus on functional design, offer powerful frameworks for decluttering both your physical and mental spaces. The key is to understand which approach resonates most deeply with your values and lifestyle. Don't get bogged down in the pursuit of perfection. Instead, embrace progress. Celebrate small victories along the way, allowing yourself flexibility and adjustments as you navigate this journey. Remember, intentional living isn't a destination. It's a continuous exploration. Keep delving into related concepts like mindful consumption and sustainable living to enrich your understanding and create a life that is truly fulfilling. Your path to intentional living begins now. Your journey awaits.